Hey guys, this is a video to quickly announce that we're doing something really exciting over the next 3 months. This year Enertion is once again going on a world tour with the Raptor 2. If you came on last year's tour, you'd know that our good friend Moja hosted it with great success, and for this reason, we've got him back again.
So my name's Moja. I'll be hosting the Europe side of the tour. Right now we're in sunny Barcelona. It's about 35 degrees, and on Sunday we're running the first event of the whole tour.
I'll be hosting the North American dates, and I can't wait to meet you all. For those who don't know me, my name's Roan. I started working for Enertion with a goal to expand the awareness of how great our board really is to the average person who doesn't have the time to rummage through all the tech articles and forums and find out which high-end skateboard to choose. This tour is exciting for a few reasons. Let me explain. Number 1, it gives potential customers the opportunity to try out the board before they buy it. Unlike conventional skateboard companies, we don't yet have the luxury of having our boards available to demo in a retail store. We hope this will soon change, but until it does, we feel like the best way to let people try the board is for us to just bring it to you. Number 2, it brings the e-skate community together. We're very supportive of the community for both production and DIY boards. So anyone who wants to attend can come along. It's free, just come and join in on the fun. If you don't have an electric skateboard, that's alright too. We will be doing demos of the Raptor 2 at the beginning of each event to give people a chance to try it out in a more relaxed environment so that you get plenty of time to play around with it and see how it feels. Number 3, it helps us reach new people and get feedback about the board that can help us improve our skateboards in the future. As many of you know, we are always trying to improve our Raptor 2, and this will continue in a more structured manner once our pre-orders are fulfilled and we aren't facing any major production issues. This way, getting real-life feedback can be beneficial to making a better product, taking things like rider preferences, different environments, customizability, and other features into consideration. So without further ado, here are the locations for each event. In August, so this month, our first event will be in Barcelona.
Then we'll be traveling up to Paris, meeting up with the whole crew there. A bunch of UK e-skate crew are coming over. And then we'll go up to Amsterdam, and we're liaising with a skate shop there. And we're going to do a big group ride, a big barbecue, and it's going to be a whole lot of fun. And then we're off to London to finish the tour, the Europe side, where we'll do a big group ride there. The community there has grown hugely in the last year or so. And then following that, in a few weeks, Rowan will be doing the whole US side of the tour.
In September, we'll be kicking off the North American part of the tour, starting with LA, San Francisco, Chicago, then moving over to the East Coast in New York City, and then moving up north to Montreal and Toronto. And finally in October, we'll be visiting Vancouver, San Diego, and finally Las Vegas, where we'll be participating in the E-Skate Renegade event, which is super exciting. We'll have prizes to give out. We'll also be organizing some night rides throughout the tour. So yeah, I am super excited, and I think you guys should be too, because it's just going to be a whole bunch of fun, and we get to kind of meet you guys and get feedback. And
the idea of these events is to bring the community together, really build the e-skate vibe. The events we did last year, I'd say, did a lot for the community. They brought people together everywhere from New York to San Francisco, and in home in Australia. You know, we're really doing amazing things for the community. So come out and get a part of the energy and feel what it's all about.
All of the events will be posted on Facebook publicly, so you guys can join in the discussion and ask any questions that you have about the event or about the location. Really exciting time, and we're going to be making tour recap videos, so you'll get to see you guys featured on our social media. Thanks for watching, and
we look forward to seeing you all. Can't wait to see you in all of these amazing cities.
Take care. Bye.